So, new day. And Janae went to go get his hat. And I must say, does not look good on him. Rate the hat out of 10. Rate the hat out of 10.
I just woke up.
So, boss man.
Yeah.
What's the plan?
Pull that up and then we'll take down the road.
He said he just woke up, but doesn't matter where you're awake, death,
Shut
breathing.
the fuck up, bro.
You can't let it determine what you do in life, okay? You gotta be happy. Leave the negative.
You're not gonna ride
thoughts.
the bike anymore.
Sorry, yeah. You know, Janae, he's going through a rough time. You know, as I said, he lost his dog. You know, it's not the best time for him in the place right now. You know, but you know, if you want to show love and support, like it up, subscribe. You know, I took Janae out of a dark hole when he lost his dog. You know, helped him throughout. You know, just pushing him to be a better him. You know, telling him to forget about the dead dog. You know, life goes on. Gotta just push. You know, gotta push. Are you gonna do that cool thing? Oh, he's gonna do the cool thing. He's gonna do the cool thing. What's up, petrol? Ooh. That smells nice. What if it's 98? Or diesel?
90, okay, 91, 95, 98 will work for this. They're all the same.
Mixing? Because 98 is racing fuel, isn't it?
Really, nigga?
That's what it said on the thing. It said octane. That's what I saw on the petrol thing.
As long as it's not diesel. I don't even know what the fuck that smells like.
Crocodile?
What did you just say?
Crocodile?
What?
Crocodile.
What the fuck is that?
So you don't know yet. You know what they say about vans?
What? Oh yeah, here goes nothing.
Bismillah.
Right.
Bright color?
Why is that pink?
That's petrol. It's probably crocodile.
Way to find out. Hey, this ends up. At least this is a lot lighter to push than the car. So,
What are you trying to say?
if anything happens. You remember how to start?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Lift right foot on.
I'm gonna feel how the pressure. Oh, it's light.
Yeah. And remember, if in doubt, clutch in and brake. Okay? Because there's a car there that I don't know who the fuck it is. Don't aim for that car. Aim that way.
Oh, wait. Let me say Bismillah actually. Let me say Bismillah. Bismillah.
Okay, that's not how you want it. Okay, stop. Okay, carry on. Use a little bit of throttle. Okay, clutch in and brake. Okay, this time you're gonna change gears.
We are?
You're gonna go from first to second.
What rev level must I go up to?
About say 6 or 7. But now you're gonna clutch out. You're gonna get a little more as soon. Why are you shaking? You never said
No.
You're shaking.
I'm not nervous.
Okay, when it gets to there, you're gonna add a little bit of throttle.
Yeah.
That's just the gap there, just there.
Oh. Okay.
That's your bike point there,
Yeah.
right there.
I like flying like this. Feels nice.
And remember, when you flick it up, let go of the throttle.
And then clutch it.
Yeah.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Let go, clutch, up, clutch out, throttle.
Right, yeah.
Throttle, let go of the clutch.
Right.
Now go. Keep going, more throttle. change gears. Yeah. Oh, that's not bad.
Actually easier than I thought.
Yeah, it's piss easy, bro. It's easier than a car.
Yeah, and you do pick up speed fast, but it's
Okay,
like...
now you're gonna use a little more gas, a little more throttle, and I'll tell you when to change gears.
Adios. I was just gonna say, it's actually really fun. So thank you, Junaid. Appreciate you trusting me.
Yep, all the way around. All the way around.
Not bad.
Yeah, not bad. Now we're gonna go for a cruise.
Huh?
We're gonna go for a little cruise.
Huh? You think I'm ready?
Yeah. So you're gonna follow me.
Okay.
So you're gonna stay with low speeds because you're obviously gonna be behind me.
I have no helmet.
You're fine. We're not gonna go to the main roads.
Oh.
Just follow me. Okay?
You're gonna be on scooter?
Yeah. Well, I'm not gonna run. Now you're just cruising. Now you're just cruising. No throttle. Just throttle. That's not bad. Stop. Wait. Okay, you're gonna go all the way around. Speed, speed, speed. Gas, gas, gas. Second gear. Your turn.
It's so fun.
It's my turn now. Wait, yeah, look here. Oh, wait, look at it now.
They put it in neutral. Wait,
No, it's fine. Just turn it off.
Oh, wait, neutral.
No, it doesn't. You can turn it off without neutral. Just turn the key. Yeah. So hold it.
It's not on neutral.
That's fine. You can let go. The bike's off. How's it gonna stall?
Once you, yeah, thank you.
Once I what? Once you
Like once you taught me like the
What? What the fuck?
no. And now I got a scooter back. Fair enough. And you're right. It's like I use the back brake too, and it's just like a normal brake on the car, you know.
You gotta put pressure on it for actually stop.
Yeah, but when I tap it, it's like
yeah. It's not bad.
yeah.
Okay, same thing. More throttle. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey ladies. Damn. Wow. Wow. You think I'm ready?
No.
Oh.
I think it's good as well.
Oh, you offed it. Oh, appreciate it.
I didn't off it.
Thank you. Now I don't have to bother you anymore. You have neighbors?
We do not care.
And you're right when you said you're more likely to crash at slow speed than a high speed, because it's like it just flows when it's hot and it's
You gotta maneuver it, and the bike's heavy.
yeah, it's really nice. Thank you very much. Pleasure.
Alright, good. Okay, can we not split it back?
No worries. Okay, that was a nice, very that was very nice. I really appreciate.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
We're signing it off. Say bye. Oi.
Until next time.